Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is day 27 of being productive in coding. Today I'm gonna solve number of common factors. This is actually an easy level problem. So let's get into the video. In this problem, they are asking to find the common factors that are between A and B. The common factors which divides both A and B. See here, A equal to 12 and B equal to 6. The common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, and we need to return the count of it. That means these factors should give remainder 0 when it is divided by both A and B. That is the problem statement. How can we do this problem? If you see the hint here, they are actually saying for each integer in range 1 to 1000, check if it's divisible by both A and B. The constraints are 1 less than or equal to A and B and 1000. So up to 1000 we need to check. How can we do this problem? Let's say for the counting purpose I am using one variable called count and n equal to 1. From 1 onwards we need to check, right? 1 is included in our constraint. While while n not equal to 1001, right? That is the condition they have given. A and B holds up to 1000. Okay, now n not equal to 1001. If A mod n is equal to 0 and B mod n is equal to 0, then increment my count value, and after that increment my n value, return the count value. Now let's execute. So it passed. Actually, this test cases, this problem will be passed if I submit the code. The code is submitted and it is passed, but it's not optimized approach. How can we do in optimized approach? I guess you understood this problem. See, here we are checking for up to 1001. That means n value will continue increment, it will keep on increment up for up to 1001. Okay, when that n value is equal to 1001, if it is equal to 1001, it will immediately stop executing the while loop and it will return the count value that it holds. Okay, so in this while loop we are checking if a is divided by n gives the remainder as 0, and also b when divided by n gives remainder as 0, we should increment the count variable. Here divide in the sense we are using mod operator. So mod operator returns the remainder. Okay. So our each count will be increased when these two conditions met. Okay. In this way we did this problem. But now we need to optimize this approach because the n value keep on continuing for up to 1001. It's not required, right? See, common factors will always be less than the numbers. See here, if you take this example 12 and 6, the common factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. That's it. There are no common factors that are greater than 6 and greater than 12, right? That means we can take one minimum value, int min, let's say min, and math dot min a comma b. I hope you all are getting. See, now here it will fetch the minimum value and it will store in the min variable. Now we have to loop this while loop up to minimum when n not equal to min. Or else we can also keep n less than or equal to min. So that means this loop will continue up to the minimum value of a comma b. Now let's execute. It passed. Now let's submit the code. That's it. See, 100% beat it. So this is all about the video, and this approach is very optimized approach. Like in previous approach, the n value, if it found also end value will be keep on looping for up to 1001 number. But here, when it reaches to the minimum value, it will stop executing the program and it will return our count variable. That's it. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.